Hi, I'm Bonnie with WTI, and these are my 9% silver grounding socks. You have a selection of 3, they're machine washable, and I just feel so comfortable in that. Definitely feel the grounding effects. Another thing I really like about these socks is they stay up. They're not too tight around my calf, but they're just right, and they don't fall down inside my boots under my foot, so I have to keep reaching down in there. No, they stay on really well. I appreciate that. These socks can even be worn with a long skirt, especially on days where you just need your feet to be warm, and they're comfortable. I feel the earthing effect is in place, and it's very relaxing. I talked a little bit about the durability of these socks. Another thing I want to show you here is the close stitching, how well made these socks are so that they don't wear out. I've had these socks over a year and they look almost the same as when I bought them. They are actually moisture wicking, so they keep your feet cool in the summer and warm in the winter. And that's my point of view.